Do you want to troll your teammates like this?
What's up, guy? I'm so glad to have joined you, and today I will lead you to victory.
Or start a live with AI voice like this?
Happy New Year! So you want to become a VTuber? Well, New Year, new you, and I'll show you exactly how and what you need to do.
In this video, I'm gonna showing you how. So first things first, you need to download HitPaw Voice Changer, which is the best and most convenient voice changer I have ever used. I'll put the download link in the description so that you can get the latest version. Once you've got it downloaded and installed, fire up HitPaw Voice Changer. Go to Settings, hit that Detect button. The software will automatically match your device. Give it a quick speech test to make sure you can hear yourself. Testing. Great. Now, dive into the real-time voice interface. And you can pick your favorite voice effects and apply them. Here we select the SpongeBob for demonstration. Click Hear Myself so you can preview the sound. If you're dealing with a noisy environment, keep the noise reduction on.
What's up, guys? This is SpongeBob.
The sound after voice changing will be slightly different depending on your original timbre. And on the right side, tweak the pitch to make you sound even more like the SpongeBob. With your setup all squared away, it's time to unleash your new voice on games, Twitch or Discord. If it's your first time with a voice changer and don't know how to set it, no worries, check the user guide or drop us a comment for help. We've got your back. We're to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for what's next. Thank you.